Okay, so I do not know where my dog is. I think the dog's inside, but that's the cat. But the dog leaves the squeaky toys here, but it loves this one. This is the one that we call the screaming chicken of death. So, but the dog loves the noise. So I'm going to squeeze it and we'll see if she comes running. Good Eva, good Eva. Do you like your chicken? Good girl. Once she got outside and we couldn't find her. We didn't know where she was. So we started squeezing that and sure enough she just came running. So everybody needs one screaming chicken of death.